Hey, welcome to MakerspaceCT. My name is Aaron, I'm the shop manager here. Just wanted to take a quick second today to show you one of the new tools in our shop, a router table that we just finished putting together and is now available for our members. Additions to our lineup of tools here in the shop is our nice router table here. Now this is built on top of a CRAFTSMAN Workbench with built-in drawer systems, a custom top that we laminated together ourselves with built-in T-tracks, and built into it is our INCRA Mast-R-Lift with our 2¼ horsepower DEWALT router. Behind that is our POWERTEC fence system with built-in dust collection, and built into that is also our safety guards and the ability to add in things like featherboards, stops for your workpiece. And one of the great things about it is the nice 6-foot long work surface here. It means you can take large pieces of wood, get them slid across the table nice and easily without having to worry about tipping off one end of the table or the other. We also have about 12 inches from the front face to the router bit itself, which means you don't have to worry about that becoming unbalanced as you're trying to put it through the table. So for our tooling for this router table, all of our wrenches, the actual lift mechanism is all kept in the top drawer here. In addition, we have different sized throat plates. You always want to make sure that your throat plate is as tight to the bit as possible without contact to keep dust and debris from falling down into the router itself. In our second drawer down here, we have our stock router bits that are available to all members. This is where you're going to find everything from our cove bits to our roundover bits to our custom bits. So these are a couple of examples of the different types of bits that you can use with the router. We have everything from chamfer bits to patterning bits. We also have roundover bits, cove bits. This is a Roman OG bit, which is just a fancy detail for the edge of a piece of wood. And we also have dovetail bits for making sliding pieces that can slide together or lock together. As with any tool in the wood shop here, safety is the first priority. Remove anything loose that may become entangled in a tool. Make sure you have your safety glasses that are impact resistant, and make sure you have your earplugs. The sounds and the noises from these tools can destroy your hearing fairly quickly. Now excuse me while I go get the dust collector turned on, and we'll do a quick demonstration of the router table. That's a quick overview of our brand new router table. It is ready to go for all members who are already certified for the wood shop. If you're just joining us for the first time or you're interested in finding out more information, please check out the website at MakerspaceCT.com. And as always, keep tuned for more additions and more improvements as we work our way through all the various facilities here.